India's largest two-wheeler maker, Hero Moto Corp, announced a disastrous set of third-quarter numbers. The company's profits plunged 20% as higher dealer commissions and ad spends have eaten into the bottom line. Revenues, though, as you can see, were up marginally at about 2.5%. But the management is saying it's hopeful that in the coming few quarters, demand in rural markets will pick up. Yatin Mota from our research desk joins in then with the highlights.
Well, big disappointment coming in for Hero Moto Corp third quarter results. We had the revenues which grew by nearly 2.5% for the company, but the profitability for Hero Moto Corp plunged by nearly 20% on a year-on-year basis. Same was the case with the margins, which were almost 200 basis points lower than the analyst estimates, coming in at a little over 12.5%. The main culprits for Hero Moto Corp were the higher promotional and the ad spends that the company undertook in order to revamp their sales as well as to support their new launches. The other expenses for the company shot up by nearly 125 crores on a year-on-year basis, and the tax rate for Hero Moto Corp also went up by nearly 100 basis points on a year-on-year basis. So clearly, on the cost front, the company was facing some bit of pressure. Also during the quarter, they increased the dealer commission by nearly 100 rupees per bike. That also added to the cost. However, we had the management in the conference call, which was quite hopeful of a demand revival going forward, especially from the rural markets, where they expected significant amount of pickup. Their new launches, Maestro, has been really doing well. The feedback has been well as far as the new launches in the 125, 150 segments are concerned, which have been launched and are under the pipeline. But the management also indicated that the promotional expenses will continue to be high going forward because of the new launches that are in the pipeline, and also under the marketing initiative that the company is going to undertake going forward. So clearly, it has been a disappointing set of earnings for Hero Moto Corp, and the stock is expected to remain under pressure going forward as well.